How long does a pig last? And by a pig, I mean one of these. This is a specialist device used by companies that process liquids or pump liquids through pipelines to save them tens, hundreds of thousands of pounds, dollars, euros every year by recovering product that would otherwise go to waste. But you need to know how long a pig is going to last if you're seriously thinking about a pigging system. It's a fair question because it's going to affect your operating costs and things like that. First thing I can say is that if you choose an HPS pig, you're using, not only are you choosing one of the most highest performance pigs on the market, it's probably the most reliable and long-lasting ones as well. But secondly, to answer the question of how long a pig lasts, unfortunately, it's one of those it depends answers. It depends on a lot of things. For example, if you're pigging a product such as toothpaste, which is mildly abrasive, your pig's not going to last as long as if you're pigging something like hand cream or ointment or tomato ketchup, which are more lubricating. There are other factors which affect the life of a pig as well. For example, temperature, length of pipeline, number of changeovers, your CIP, your sanitation regimes, number of 1.5D bends, and other factors as well. So it's a difficult question to answer, but what I can say is if you talk to HPS and you're serious about a pigging system, we'll be able to give you a better figure about the lifetime of your pig relative to your individual project, because all pigging systems are different, so we'll be able to give you a better figure. And I will get absolutely shot for this, but if you just need a very broad figure about the life expectancy of a pig, and I'm really not supposed to say this, I'm going to say it anyway. Typically, a rule of thumb is that an HPS pig will last for roughly 26 miles or 30,000 meters of use. Now, don't quote me on that. It's very much dependent on the other factors I mentioned before, and we can give you a more accurate figure if you contact us and talk to us about your system. But in the meantime, if you are interested in an HPS pig or HPS pigging system, put something in the comments or send me a message here on LinkedIn and let's have a chat.